A big reason why most traders lose money in the market is because they don't trust that the market will move in their direction. And in this video, I am going to show you a simple 3-bar pattern that you can use immediately to identify the trend, whether price is moving up or down in a very precise way. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Let's talk about the 3-day cycle. So what exactly is the 3-day cycle? So this is a 3-bar pattern that allows you to predict whether the price is going up or down. Very simple. So how do we do this? So first things first, we have the first candle. So it's a three candle pattern. The first candle, what it does, it gives you the high and the low. So you don't trade on that first candle, you just wait. And that is your high and that is your low. Then the second candle has two potentials. The first one is it can break out and close as a breakout. So what this means is that we have strength in the market and there's a high probability that the next candle will continue in the direction of the trend. And our goal is to trade on this third candle. However, if the candle breaks out and closes back inside of the high and the low, and it gives you something that looks like that, so then you have a very high probability of price going down as a reversal. So a breakout, a successful breakout, is a continuation pattern. And a failed breakout, so this is what we call a failed breakout. This is a reversal pattern, and this is the 3-day cycle. All right, so if we look at what's happening here, we can start by drawing a high and a low there, and then we wait for the next candle to close. So the next candle breaks out and then closes back inside of the range. So I am betting that the next candle is going to be bearish. And boom, it's bearish. But also notice it has broken out and closed back inside of the range. And also it's a red candle. So if this was Monday, Tuesday, this would be Wednesday. Then Wednesday gives you a failed breakout and also a first red day. So I'm still very bearish. So the next candle breaks out and closes as a breakout. So now it has invalidated my reversal pattern and now we are in continuation mode. Now, I am not a continuation trader. So what I do is I adjust my high and then I wait for another failed breakout. So you can see breakouts mean price is continuing higher and failed breakouts is reversals. So you can see, for example, this is a failed breakout and a first red day. So I'm betting that the next day will be bearish. So we see price did not give us this was bearish because price went up and then came down. Give us a failed breakout, so I'm still very bearish. So what happens? Again, I'm still very bearish because price is inside of this high and this low. What happens? I'm still very bearish. Now, using this system, I like using Monday as my starting point. So let's go to the daily time frame and let's play this game now on real days so that you can be able to predict how price is moving. So let's start on a Monday. So if we look at what happened here, so this is the daily time frame. We have this high, we have this high, and then we have this low. And this is on a Friday. So let's look at Monday. How does Monday do? So Monday breaks out and gives us a failed breakout. So what do you expect on Tuesday? I'm expecting on Tuesday to be bearish. All right, so Tuesday is a bearish day. All right, I'm still bearish because price is inside of the high and the low. What happens? Again, on Wednesday, very bearish. Now, look at what has happened. Price has broken out. So in my head, I'm thinking I want to wait for another failed breakout. What happens? We get a failed breakout on Thursday. All right, so this is the high of the week on Monday, and yeah, on Monday here. And this is the low of the week set on Thursday. However, we do have a failed breakout. Now I am very bullish. What happens? So price is still bullish, and I'll continue being bullish until we have either a failed breakout or we begin the new week. All right, so we start again. This is our high, this is our low on Monday. Tuesday breaks out, so this is Monday. Tuesday breaks out, closes bearish. So I am very bearish. What happens? Boom, we have the next day going down, but it's also a breakout. So I would be expecting a failed breakout in order for me to trade. So what happens? Price continues breaking out, and then what happens? We have another. No, that's an inside day. We are looking for a failed breakout, and then we start a new week. So we have Monday setting that low and that high. So this is our high, this is our low. Tuesday is a breakout, nothing for us there. Then Wednesday breaks out, nothing for us. Then Thursday breaks out, nothing for us. So notice, if it's a breakout, it's continuation. If it's a failed breakout, it's reversal. Then on Friday, it's a breakout. And then on Monday, it's another breakout. But we see we have a rejection there. And then on Tuesday, price closes, we start again. So we have Monday setting that high, that low. Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. I'm very bearish. And then Wednesday breaks out, closes as a breakout. All right. Thursday is an inside day. And then Friday gives us a failed breakout. So when I come to the screen on Monday, I'm looking to sell. So Monday still gives us another failed breakout. So I'm still very bearish on Tuesday. And then on Tuesday, we have nothing. So now we have a new high and a new low set on Monday. And then we have Tuesday inside. Wednesday is a breakout. And then Thursday is a breakout. And then Friday is an inside day. Monday is an inside day. Tuesday is a breakout. Then we start the process again. So we've not gotten a trade in that week. So we have our high, we have our low. Wednesday breaks out. Thursday breaks out. Friday inside day. And then Friday gives us a failed breakout. Oh, that's Monday. So I'm looking at buying on Tuesday. Tuesday is a breakout. So we start the process again. Monday sets the high and the low. Tuesday expands the low. Wednesday breaks out. Continuation. I'm still very bearish until we have a failed breakout. Thursday is an inside day. Friday, nothing. Monday, nothing. Tuesday, nothing. Again, we start the process again. But this time, if we look at what happened on Tuesday, Tuesday broke out, closed back inside of the range. So I'm very bullish. Wednesday gives us a failed breakout again. I'm still very bullish. And then Thursday, I'm still bullish. Friday breaks out, so nothing for us. And then inside day on Monday. And then Tuesday is a breakout. Again, we begin the process. Monday sets the high and the low. And then Wednesday breaks out. So this is a breakout. And then Thursday breakout. So I'm very bullish. Friday inside day. Monday inside day. Tuesday inside day. We begin again the process. Monday, Tuesday is a breakout. Wednesday is a failed breakout. Price broke out, closed back inside of the range. I'm very bullish. And then boom, we have that explosive move. And then we have a breakout, so I'm waiting for a failed breakout. Price continues breaking out. All right, and then that is Monday. Tuesday inside, but then we have a new high of the week set on Monday. Then Tuesday failed breakout, so I'm very bullish on Wednesday, boom, we have that move. Then we have a breakout, price closes back inside of the range, so I'm very bearish now. And then I'm still very bearish. Boom, we have our breakout, that is on Monday. What does Tuesday do? Tuesday is an inside day. We begin the process again. Then Wednesday breaks out. Then Thursday inside day, Friday inside day, Monday inside day, Tuesday failed breakout. Oh, this is Monday. So Monday sets the low and the high. And then Tuesday, nothing really interesting. Then we have a breakout on Thursday. So I'm bearish until we see a failed breakout. So we are consolidating, nothing really interesting. Friday, then Monday, then Tuesday. So we have Monday again setting the high and the low. Tuesday is a breakout. Wednesday is another breakout. Thursday is a failed breakout, so now I'm bullish. Then Friday, I'm still bullish until we see either a failed breakout or a reversal, so I'm very bullish. So we have Monday now giving us a high and a low. This is Monday. Tuesday gives us a failed breakout. Wednesday, obviously, it's a breakout, but we were bullish. So you'll notice that it's very easy if you know a failed breakout is reversal and a breakout is continuation. And so if you want to work one-on-one with me to understand this strategy in a more deeper way, then book a one-on-one call, link in the description. You can also access the free course explaining this strategy. Also, link will be in the description.